Hello guys, this is Tecno Pop 20. So I want to show you how to bypass it. It is a customer's phone that I just brought, and I have to be fast so that the person should not come and disturb and take the phone. So we'll start by connect our phone to our Wi-Fi network. Click on connect. Yes guys, we have to be fast about this because the customer can enter at any time. I just bought the phone for him, and so very soon he's coming to take his phone. So guys, I just profited to make this video. I just wish he should not come when I have not finished the video. Yes, so guys, be attentive to watch the video right up to the end. It is not even hard, it is simple and easy. So you click on don't copy. This is because you see there's an account inside that I was only connected because I wanted to do this. So guys, we'll just go back. You have to go back, and then let me show you the step we are going to take. Go back. So guys, here we need a SIM card having a pin code. So this is my own SIM card. I'll open my phone and insert the SIM card with the pin code. So just do it. Good. Yes, once you show the pin, remove the SIM card back. That's it. Now shift it a bit and click on this setting icon. Click on more settings, and then you have to go down and click on this notification style. You click on set up portal services. You have to click on sound. Now you go down. You go down and click on add ringtone. Now you click on these three lines on the left side. Now you hold drive. Now you click on this screen time. Click on the three dots on the right top, and then click on send feedback. Click on this YouTube icon, and then click on YouTube. Allow. You have to take away this video and click on those three dots at the top right, and click on help and feedback. Here you are going to type on this search help, and you click delete. Just type delete. You see delete and disable Android apps. Or disable Android apps. That's it. You click on that second one, delete apps, or on your this is like that. That's it. And then you click on tap on that one. Tap to go to yes. This is going to display your app list. And here we are going to disable Android setup. You have to first stop it. You click on first stop and click on OK. Then we'll go back and look for Google Play services, and also have to disable it, and then also for stop it, and then we have to go back and look for our settings. So for these settings, you open click on this open down. Yes, it's going to take you to your phone settings. So now we are going to look for accessibility. To turn on the accessibility menu, the accessibility menu. This is it. Click on accessibility, click on accessibility menu, and then you turn it on here. Click on allow. That's it. Yes, that's how we are going to use it, guys. You just pray that man, I'm hearing his voice outside.